All right, so welcome back to All This Math.
Yep.
I am Professor Parker, the host. I have Kwame here with me.
Today we have a watch.
He's got one of my old G-Shocks on from back in the day. All right, so look, Kwame's not really this tall. He's standing on the chair, in case anybody's wondering. All right, Kwame just turned 6. You just turned 6, right?
Yep.
All right, cool. All right, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you're here, hit the like button. If you're here, go ahead and hit the like button. Don't forget. All right. Also, if you have any questions about anything that I'm explaining to Kwame or that me and Kwame talk about in this video, please put your questions or your comments, if you have a comment, in the comment section. And also share this video with at least 2 people. All right, when we're done. All right, so today what we're going to do is we're going to do some addition with 1-digit numbers, right, where we have sums that are greater than 10. All right, and Kwame's going to demonstrate for us how he does this using his fingers. Right? Use your fingers, right? All right, so we got 3 examples of equations up here. We got 9 plus 6, we got 6 plus 7, we got 8 plus 4. All right, so Kwame, you want to get started? Number 1 is 9 plus 6, right? Now show us how you would do 9 plus 6 and find the sum. The sum is what you call the answer when you're doing an addition problem. S-U-M, sum, right? So tell us, show the people how you would do 9 plus 6.
First, 5 fingers.
Okay.
Then count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1 finger.
Nah, bro. No. That's not what we talked about. We're doing 9 plus 6. So don't you start with 9? Don't you put up 9 fingers? So show the people 9 fingers. Yeah, 9 fingers. All right. Now Kwame is about to graduate from kindergarten. All right. This is something that you don't have to wait until kindergarten. You could do this in pre-K. You could do this, with your 3-year-old. As long as they know how to count. All right. The school curriculum is just a suggestion. All right. So put up 9 fingers. That's 9. That ain't 9, bro. Yeah, that's 9. Count 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now, remember that in your head, right? Remember that number. That number is 9. Now, we're adding 6. So now, put all your fingers down. Now put up 6. No, fists. Ball your fists up. Now put up 6 fingers. All right, now show the people 6 fingers. Now, from 9. Now, also what this demonstrates is what we call the counting on method. The counting on method. When Kwame gets a little more fluent, we won't even bother with putting up 9 fingers. We're not even going to do that. And eventually, anybody's wondering, he will have memorized his addition facts. He'll know that 9 plus 6 is boom, whatever. He'll know that 8 plus 9 is whatever. He'll know that 8 plus 3 is whatever, right? But until then, right, he's developing his fluency, developing his mathematical awareness by going through the process. All right, which your children can do also. All right, so now the number was 9, right? So what number comes after 9? We're counting by ones. Put your fingers up.
10.
So count your fingers.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Try again. That's 10.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Now, here's another trick for you. When you count the finger, move the finger. So if I was doing this, look, I got 6 up, right? Look, watching? You watching? I would go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You know why I do that? Because that prevents me from forgetting or missing one of my fingers, right? So I can make sure I get the right answer, right? If you move your finger when you count it, right? Move your finger when you count it. All right? So that means that 9 plus 6 has a sum of 15. Fist bump. Good job, bro. 9 plus 6 is 15. Now we're going to do 2 more examples. So 9 plus 6 is 15. That was a mistake. I wrote right there. Now we're doing 6 plus 7. Let the people see 6 fingers. What's up? What you pointing to? All right, 6 fingers. Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, now put all your fingers down. The next add-in is 7. Now remember, you stopped at 6. Now put up 7 fingers. Now, what number comes after 6?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. Fist bump.
13. Yoink.
My man. So 6 plus 7 is 13. Then you put the 13 up here, right? Boom. Last one. 8 plus 4. First add-in is 8. Second add-in is 4. Right?
Yep.
Oh, wait, hold up. Notice how I got my Kwame Ture t-shirt on.
Yep.
This is Kwame's namesake. Kwame was named after Kwame Ture.
Yep.
This brother also right here, who you'll see in all the videos, prominently posted on the wall, leading a political education course at Howard University in Washington, D.C. back in the 1970s. That's where this picture came from, right? Maybe it wasn't at Howard, but it was definitely in D.C., right? There's a video. There's video available on YouTube, right, where he is actually teaching this class. This guy. All right. So look. So now we're doing our last problem. Now who are you supposed to be? Iron Man?
Yeah.
Okay. Now he's Iron Man now. All right. So 8 plus 4. Show us 8 fingers.
Mm.
All right. Count them out. Count out 8 fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right. Now remember that. Remember 8 in your mind. 8 in your mind. All right. This will be a good video for Milan and Natira one day, right? What about Nico? This will be a good video for Nico too.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. All right. So remember 8, right? Those are some of his cousins, in case you were wondering. So 8 is what? So we got 8, right? Now put your fingers down. Now put up 4 fingers. You only need 1 hand for 4 fingers, right? You don't even need 2 hands. You could use 2 hands if you wanted to do. You want to do 2 and 2? You got options, bro. You got options. You could do 2 and 2.
W.
You could do 3 and 1.
W.
If you wanted to. Yeah.
W.
Now count on from 8. Now this is a good practice of the counting on method. Counting on method. Counting on method. Counting on method. So what number comes after 8? What number comes after 8, bro?
9.
Yeah. You just had a mental lapse just now. So after 8 is 9. What's after 9? Keep going.
10, 11, 12, 13.
Oh, 4 fingers. 4 fingers. Count on from 8. What number is this?
8.
No, we're already at 8. 9. Count your fingers.
10.
I see 5 fingers. Put that thumb back.
9, 10, 11, 12.
My man. Fist bump. There we go. All right. 8 plus 4 is 12. All right. If you do math with your children will become strong at math.
Mm-hmm.
I want to reiterate that. If you do math with your children will become strong at math. All right. Also, never stop doing math with your children. All right. My bold ambition is this. As long as our children live under our roof, we should be able to help them with their math homework. Now, what that means is you might have to get to work and learn some math that you never learned 20 years ago or 30 years ago. But your children will be better for it. The question is, do you want your children to be better for it? That's the question. You gotta look yourself in the mirror and answer that question. Do you want your children to be better for it? Are your children worth you going back and learning pre-calculus once you got that 16-year-old in your household or that 17-year-old? Are your children worth you going back and learning the geometry that you might have hated 30 years ago? Are your children worth it? Do you love your daughter that much? Do you love your son that much? Do you love your niece that much? Do you love your nephew that much? Do you love your grandchild that much? That's for you to decide. All right? So, because realistically, school should be a space for practice. We should be introducing these skills in the household in safe, comfortable spaces, and then they can go to school and practice these skills. All right? Bro, what are you doing, bro? Get this out of here. Knucklehead. All right, so look, 3 problems, 3 answers, 15, 13, and 12. So me and Kwame about to get out of here, and we're actually about to record some more videos. But you got anything you want to say?
Yeah. Make sure you subscribe and comment.
Subscribe, comment, what else?
Subscribe, comment, and share. Subscribe, comment, share.
Subscribe, comment, share. What about like?
Subscribe, comment, share, like.
Yeah, Kwame enjoys being a YouTuber, right? So Kwame is a YouTuber now.
Yeah,
well, Kwame has been a YouTuber actually. He's been a YouTuber because he's been on the channel. This is not his first time on the channel. He was on the channel 2 years ago. He's been putting in work. All right, so he's got his miniature soccer ball now. All right, so Kwame, let's get out of here. We're about to go. Tell him you see him on the next video.
See ya. Boing.
Peace.
Peace.